Here's an underrated muscle car that you don't see very often. This is a 1964 Dodge Dart GT. It was a two-door model. They made it with a roof or a convertible version, and you get that GT name badge on the hood. And they changed the style a lot every year with the Dodge Dart, so it became boxy pretty soon after that. Like in '65, it became more boxy. But this is one of my favorite body designs. My mom had one of these for 30 years. I learned how to drive in it, and it's just a great, indestructible, one of the most reliable muscle cars you could get. Especially, we had the 225 slant 6 engine, but with this particular one here, we're going to take a look at the big V8 they put in there, or I should say small V8 that they put in there. You can see just classic lines kind of coming out of the tail fin era. There's still like remnants of tail fin there, but just little baby tail fins, round tail lights, that GT badge on the back. And then push buttons. There's push buttons on the radio, push button transmission. So you pull that lever down to put it into park, and then the gear selector buttons, you just push whatever button for whatever gear you want to drive in. And then over there, the radio, you can see has push buttons as well. This is a 273 cubic inch V8 engine in this one. The GT was also available with whichever engine you wanted. The 225 or the 170 slant 6 were also available, but that was the big engine. And that's a picture of my mom's car. That's what the hardtop version of this car would look like. And you can see what the original hubcaps looked like. The car that I'm shooting at the car show has the Craigar wheels on it. And then here's a good look at the interior with the top down, with that unique pyramid logo on the seats, on the upholstery. Just a beautiful muscle car. And I looked it up, and they supposedly made 200,000 Dodge Darts this year. So it's not as rare, or it wasn't as rare as you think, but I don't know if most of them have been crushed or what, but I rarely ever see one of these. So I was really super excited to see one in better than new, perfect, shiny condition. So there you go, Dodge Dart GT 1964.